Welcome to Pasta Grannies in Sardinia.
Hi, my name is Gaia and this is Culurgiones, a type of pasta, and my grandmother told me how to make this. Okay. Allora, questo è il ripieno. Ok.
Gaia first makes the filling. This is mashed potato flavoured with pecorino, mint and Sardinian saffron. Gaia's granny lives 2 hours away, but substitute grannies Anna and Clelia are keen to get involved.
E allora come faccio una
Li faccio con questo, dai.
Gaia uses a water glass to make pasta circles. She places a walnut-sized lump of potato in the middle of each. And then she folds over the pasta and pinches the seam from side to side, creating a shape that locals say looks like wheat. It's the first time Anna has come across this pasta shape, and she has to give up. Gaia is the expert.
Non tutti e due assieme, prima uno e poi l'altro.
No, non trovo mistichezza. Guarda, io faccio prima così. Ognuno il suo.
She rapidly makes a tray of Culurgiones. Here she is again. They are always served with a simple tomato sauce. Gaia boils a few at a time and coats them carefully with the sauce so as not to damage them.
When they come up, they are ready. So we can put inside the tomato sauce. Very slowly, because they can broken. Ed è pronto. It's ready. Okay.
They are almost too good to eat. Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.